Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you idea that how you can empty your car, truck or SUV's fuel tank if there is any this liquid and gasoline or diesel inside. Okay, let's go to look at how it happens. Okay, and firstly we need couple of things when we drain out this gasoline. Firstly, I need like 1 or 2 gallons this canister, and then 3 gallons bigger canister, and then funnel and hose. Okay, and then we start this my job. I take my fuel canister, my fuel tank. Okay, and here is my fuel tank, and I have protected these fuel tank hoses by this electric tape, and then these recycle gloves. What are those vinyl gloves? And now I open this biggest hose in that way, and now this area, when I rotate and I move that fuel tank, soon gasoline comes out from here. Okay, and now I am planning to drain my gasoline in this green canister. That one, and this one must be clean. It is good to clean with cotton cloth. Good. And then I take my fuel tank in my hand. There this my canister is, and then I drain out gasoline in there. Okay, there's a little bit dirty. Okay, and as we can see, there is a lot of sand. Okay, and there is sand coming in this my canister ground. But let's look when I drain totally this my fuel tank, that how much there is this dirt is in this bottom area. Okay, and now I am draining out this my gasoline. I installed it in here. Now gasoline goes nicely away. Good.